Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install MailerLite for affiliate opt-in forms and sequences, beginner guide step by step clearly.
Start by navigating to the MailerLite website. If you don't have an account, click on the Sign Up button. Fill in the required information to create your account. Verify your email address to activate your account. Once logged in, you will be directed to the MailerLite dashboard. Locate the Forms tab on the left side of the screen. Click on the Create Form button to start building your opt-in form. Choose Pop-up, Embedded, or Landing Page based on your preference. Select a template that aligns with your brand aesthetic. Customize the form by adding your affiliate offer details. In the form editor, you can change the text, colors, and images. Once satisfied, click on the Save button to proceed. Next, set up the integration with your affiliate platform. Navigate to the Integrations section in the dashboard. Find your affiliate platform from the list of available options. Follow the instructions to connect MailerLite with your affiliate platform. Go to the Automation tab on the left sidebar. Click on the Create a Workflow option. Select Welcome Message as the trigger for your workflow. Design your email sequence by adding content related to your affiliate offer. Make sure to include valuable information that engages your audience. Save the sequence once you've finalized the content. To activate your workflow, toggle the switch from draft to active.
Next, test your opt-in form to ensure it functions correctly.
Preview the form and send a test entry to your email. Check your email to confirm that you received the automated welcome message. If everything looks good, it's time to publish your opt-in form. Copy the generated code or link for your chosen form type. Paste this code into your website where you want the form to appear.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.